Hello boys and girls. This week on KidStir, we have a couple of things we're going to do. The first one we're going to do is this ornament right here, and you will get your rice cake and all the goodies to go with it. And
I wonder what that was.
you will get a thing of Nutella. You can spread that on your rice cake, however you want to do it. We know you're so creative. And then you'll have your Twizzlers that you can decorate how you want.
Hold it up a little bit. Hold it up.
Mm-hmm.
Hold it up so
Go on
easy.
with it. And I'm going to put a little more Nutella so we can make sure to hold that up when I hold it up to show you. It's not sticking real good. And then you can put your M&Ms however you want. I'm going to hold this up for you in just a second to show you. And plus you'll have the picture in your bag of goodies. These will be ready on Tuesday. And if you want them ahead of time, you can call, or not ahead of time, but you can call to reserve. And remember, we only can do 24, and it's first come, first serve. They'll be ready on Tuesday. So then you can do your ornament somewhat like this. You have your Twizzlers, your rice cake, your M&Ms, and your Nutella. And on the back, you have marshmallows that hold this. So I don't really think it'll hang on your tree. It's mainly for you to eat and to look at. And then the other thing we're going to do is you will get a sweater cookie. And this one you get to decorate it however you want to do it. You will have some frosting, and you will have some sprinkles, and it's like an ugly sweater. If you've ever heard of an ugly sweater contest, you can make your sweater however you want, however much frosting you want, and you will get some sprinkles, and you can just sprinkle them on, or you can make a design. And remember, Miss Libby and I love to see what you've made, so if you want to take pictures and email us at the library, we would love to see what you've made. And then when we get through with this, Miss Libby will do her craft, and I hope that you guys have a very Merry Christmas.
Hi, boys and girls. Today, the ornament that you're going to make is a snowman. I already have one made up for you. You will get everything you need in a little kit. And the first thing you need to do is glue your craft sticks together. And please, please, use something like an Elmer's glue, because if you don't, they won't stick together. Then after you get them glued together, then glue the black stick across the top and let it dry for just a few minutes. Once it's dried, you peel off the back of your snowflake, and then you can put it on your hat. Then you can take your stickers, add your eyes, glue your nose on, glue your scarf, and your buttons. And once that's dried, then you can turn it over and glue your hanger on the back. There's your ornament. This will be in your KidStir sack with all your goodies. So hope you have a great holiday, and we'll see you in January.